In 1978, thanks to the initiative of Mr. Deng Xiaoping, the third plenary session of the 11th CPC Central Committee marked the beginning of China's historic journey of reform and opening up. Our endeavor started from rural areas to cities, from pilot programs to nationwide projects, and from economic restructuring to the comprehensive deepening of reform. Reform and opening up over the past 4 decades has brought tremendous benefits to the Chinese people. With united and determined efforts, the Chinese people have added a glorious chapter to the development epic of the country and the nation. Over the last 4 decades, the Chinese people have significantly unleashed and enhanced productivity in China through hard work with an unyielding spirit. Heaven rewards those who work hard, and flowers in spring come to fruition in autumn. The focused endeavor in national development and the Chinese people's unwavering commitment to reform and opening up have brought tremendous changes to the country. China has grown into the world's second largest economy, the largest industrial producer, the largest trader of goods, and the holder of the largest foreign exchange reserves.